welcome to today's video. So as you guys know, either today or yesterday was Valentine's Day. I'm not sure which day I'm posting this, but I have a little hot date tonight. Just kidding, I'm going out with my boyfriend. So we're just gonna be getting ready for that. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys how I did my hair and my makeup, and then we're gonna pick out some outfits, and I'm super excited. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and little bell icon to be notified when I post so you guys don't miss any uploads. Also, we hit 900 subscribers, guys. That's so exciting and I'm so happy. Thank you to everyone that has been watching my videos and supporting me and has subscribed the last few months. It really means a lot and I appreciate it so much, and it just makes me so happy. So thank you guys for that. But enough talking, let's get into the video. It is about 2 o'clock right now, so my boyfriend will be picking me up in a few hours for our date tonight. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna start doing my makeup. I have to pick up my sister in a little bit, so I'm gonna have to kind of rush a little bit, but yeah, I'm super excited. I put these nails on last night, super cute, and I added little hearts to them. I feel like you can't really, yeah, you can see it. You know, just added the little hearts to be festive. So that's that. I don't really have too much to get ready, so it shouldn't take me too long. Hopefully not, because I feel like I'm in a rush right now, but I'm just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. I have absolutely no idea what I'm wearing tonight, so I still have to pick that out, but I'm gonna have to wait for my boyfriend to wake up because we normally like to talk to each other about what the attire is, like, because we don't want one person to show up looking super fancy. What's the matter? It's so big. Whoa. We like to decide what vibe we're going for together, but we didn't decide that before he went to sleep, so now I'm just gonna wait for him to wake up. I think I know what I want to wear, but we'll see what happens. I want to wear something like kind of not fancy, but just like nicer looking, and then like cute, you know. I'll show you guys my outfit options because I already have some picked out for whatever vibe we're going with, but I will show you guys the plan. Also, he stopped by this morning, like right when I woke up, and he got me one of these preserved roses. Super cute, and it's pink. And he also brought me kitty, my favorites. I was super surprised. I was not expecting it because normally we like coordinate if we're doing gifts, and we decided that we're gonna do our, it's more of like an activity that we're doing on Saturday instead. So I wasn't expecting him to stop by with that stuff this morning, but it definitely made my day and I'm super happy. So I'm gonna use some setting powder now. I got the Kat Von D one the other day. I had like a tester version of this a long time ago, and I ran out and I just never bought it again. And it comes with this cute little powder puff thing. But I think I'm just gonna use a brush because when I opened this, the lid was actually unscrewed, so it made me a little bit nervous that maybe someone was messing with it, but then this seal is still on it and it's really hard to get out, so I was like, okay, I think maybe someone just opened the lid. Oh my god, I really can't open this. did my eyeliner quick because it's super hard for me to do it on camera. This one is a little bit wonky, honestly. I might have to fix it with some concealer, but I'm just gonna put my mascara on for now, which I'm actually running out of. How convenient. You know what? I have my boyfriend's sister got me the little like mini Charlotte Tilbury mascara for Christmas, which I've really been wanting to try out. So once I'm done with this one, then I can test that one out and see if I like it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add some highlight, and then I'm just about done. I think I might want to add some like lip liner as well. And then I'm just gonna add some lip liner, and then here come the doggies. And then I think my makeup will be done after that. Oh god, no! I just did it. Hi. Happy Valentine's Day. Alright, and that is my makeup look for today. Nothing special, just what I normally do. Okay, and then I also got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray because I've heard good things about it and I want to try it, so I got that. So I got that from Sephora the other day as well, and I'm just gonna try it out. No melting, no fading, no creasing. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and mist over face. Before and after makeup. Well, I forgot to do it before, so we're just gonna do it after then. Okay, so that is my finished makeup look. Now I'm just gonna move on to my hair. I'm really feeling crimping it, so I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I've decided that I'm gonna do a hair on the floor. I don't know why, just feel like it's a good spot to set up the camera. And I have my mirror in front of me, so it just works good that way. So I'm just gonna start by dividing my hair into 2 halves, like this. Oh, this is gonna take me so long. I was gonna do just a regular like blowout look today, but I just feel like I never do this to my hair and I love how it looks all the time. So I wanted to do this again, and I want to do, I think, like the little small braids. I did this hairstyle in the summer and I got quite a few compliments on it, and my boyfriend liked it too, and we are going out to dinner tonight, so it's like, you know what, let me do my hair real cute. And I feel like I always do like the blowout look, so I want to do something different. I'm all done with my hair. This is what it looks like. I love it. The front pieces are looking a little crazy, so I'm gonna braid my front framing pieces here, and then I'm gonna do another little braid like on the sides here. So I just have these clear elastics, and I'm just going to do my little braids, and then my hair is done after that. When I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded?
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
Okay, so I'm finally done my hair and my makeup. I guess all that's left to do is get dressed now. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit options. I have a few outfit options, but I'm just not 100% sure about anything. Like I said, I need to talk to Adam and we're gonna decide kind of what we're wearing together. So I have a few options that I might dress up or down depending on what we decide on, but don't know for sure yet. So I can kind of match any of these things, like combination wise, but I have a few different options of top. I kind of want to wear a skirt, so I have this black one as an option. It's just a plain black mini skirt, and then I also have, if we're going like not kind of fancy, then I have these like ripped jeans that are like kind of baggy. So I think those would look good because I'm wearing a corset top no matter what. I love corset tops, they look so good. So I have a few options. So I have this one that I really love from Victoria's Secret. I haven't worn it yet. I just got it a few weeks ago or like a month ago. But it has this cute little like lace up top and it's just crisscrossed down the middle. So this one's a corset top. Like I said, I haven't worn it yet, so I kind of want to wear this one, but we'll see. And then my other two options are this one, this like off the shoulder corset top, and then this little like scrunched bustier one. This one I really love because it makes the girls look good and the waist is snatched. So I feel like I kind of want to wear maybe this one or the white one because I did wear this one last year for Valentine's Day. So maybe not again this year, but like I said, I need to talk to Adam and we're gonna figure it out. But I will definitely show you guys what I'm wearing before we leave. But so those are the options that we have for now. Alright guys, so don't mind the mess in my room, but this is my outfit for tonight. So we decided we're going like semi-fancy casual. So I just am wearing this white top that I showed you guys earlier, the Victoria's Secret one, which I am so obsessed with a little black mini skirt, my Steve Madden boots, and then just because it's cold outside since I live in Canada, just my little jean jacket and my little Prada bag. So I'm super excited. I'll show you guys like a better picture of the outfit, but we are going to dinner. Adam's picking me up in a few minutes, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some pics of the night, but let's go to dinner. Alright guys, so that's going to be all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!